Welcome to Quizzy Fun Trivia, episode 82. If this is your first time playing, here at Quizzy, we play 3 rounds of 5 questions. Every round gets a new category. If you get all of the questions correct, that's what we call a Quizzy.
Round 1.
The category for round 1 is islands. Question number 1. What is the name of the largest island in the Caribbean? And the answer is Cuba. Question number 2. What island is home to the Statue of Liberty? And that island is called Liberty Island. Question number 3 of islands. Which island in the Pacific was the site of a major World War II battle between the U.S. and Japan beginning in February 1945? And that island is Iwo Jima. Question number 4. What is the name of the island prison where Nelson Mandela was held for 18 years? And that island is known as Robben Island. And question number 5, the last one of this round. What island nation is the only one in the world named after a woman? And the answer there is St. Lucia. Moving on to round 2.
Round 2.
The category for round 2 is March Madness. This is in honor of the NCAA basketball tournament, aka March Madness, currently happening as this episode is released. Question number 1. How many teams participate in the March Madness tournament? And the answer is 68. Question number 2. What team has won the most NCAA men's basketball championships? And that is UCLA. They have won 11 championships. Question number 3 of March Madness. Who was the first number 16 seed to defeat a number 1 seed in the tournament? And the answer there is UMBC. That is the University of Maryland, Baltimore County. And they did that back in 2018. Question number 4. Which coach has won the most NCAA men's basketball tournament titles? And that was the great John Wooden. He won 10 titles in 12 years with UCLA. It's incredible. And question number 5, the last one of this round. Which women's team has won the most NCAA championships? And that is UConn, the University of Connecticut. They've won 11. Super impressive. Moving on to round 3.
Round 3.
The category for round 3 is construction equipment. Question number 1. Which piece of equipment has a long arm and is used to lift heavy materials high into the air? And that is a crane. Question number 2. What construction equipment is used to drill holes into the ground for fence posts or foundations? And the answer we were looking for is auger. Question number 3 of construction equipment. What is the name of the large machine used to dig and move earth, often with a bucket and an arm? And that is an excavator. Question number 4. Which construction vehicle has a large bucket in the front for scooping and a smaller digging arm in the back? And that piece of equipment is called a backhoe. Question number 5, the last one of this round and the last one of this Quizzy. Which piece of equipment is specifically designed for demolishing buildings? And And the answer is a wrecking ball crane or a demolition excavator. Hey, thanks for playing, everyone. I hope you had fun. Please join us every week for new episodes and follow us on social media at Quizzy Fun Trivia. See you next time.